Besiny's World of Adventures.
Besiny travels all around, all around, all around. Besiny travels all around, to every place she goes. She says hello with a happy smile, happy smile, happy smile. She says hello with a happy smile, wherever she may go. She travels north and south and east, east and west, east and west. She travels north and south and east, then west to say hello. She tries new food from every tribe, every tribe, every tribe. She tries new food from every tribe and says, wow, this tastes great. People are kind, like the stars and moon, stars and moon, stars and moon. People are kind, like the stars and moon, shining bright with love. Besiny helps everyone she meets, everyone, everyone. Besiny helps everyone she meets, because kindness makes us strong. So be kind to everyone, everyone, everyone. Be kind to everyone you see, just like you.